Hey everyone, Captain Chris here, your boat captain realtor down in Southwest Florida. If you've ever wondered what luxury waterfront living looks like in Cape Coral, come see for yourself. I'm hosting an open house tomorrow, Sunday, July 12th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at my new listing in Tarpon Landings in Tarpon Point. This is a beautiful luxury residence offering 3 bedrooms plus a den and a half bath, private elevator that opens directly into your residence, 2 private balconies, and a 2-car garage. You're also overlooking the Marina, river, mangroves, as well as Gulf access waterways with the opportunity to enjoy beautiful sunrises and sunsets. This home has been extensively updated with over $150,000 in upgrades and is being offered furnished. This video is just a quick preview. We'll also be doing a full video tour of the entire Tarpon Point community where I'll show you what luxury waterfront living here is really all about. From the marina to the boating lifestyle to waterfront restaurants, as well as resort style amenities and everything this community has to offer. So make sure you subscribe and follow along so you don't miss that video. And if you're in the area, come see this incredible property tomorrow, Sunday, July 12th from 1 to 4 p.m. Again, that address is 6081 Silver King Boulevard, Unit 604, Cape Coral, Florida. I'm Chris Glazer, your boat captain realtor here in Southwest Florida. Come experience waterfront living at Tarpon Point. I'll see you at the open house.